Hey everybody, this is Stacy again with F. Johnson Consulting and Construction Services. And in this video, we are going to discuss another project that will be available for our students on member spaces, our estimating classes, and pieces and parts on Intern or in Intern Academy this week. Every week we work on 3 projects that I and my team in California will bid on together and win. And so I'm going to share those with you. And if you are interested in doing that with me as well, the cost for that is a mere, and this is for self-performing companies. $199 a month is all that it costs you. And we do your estimates. We work together on how to do the estimates. We present them to the GC. We win, and I work with you on project management to make sure everything goes smoothly. So this is a pilot program for self-performing firms that have been in business 2 to 4 years and to get you up and running and going. And if you've also seen the video for problems faced by contractors in your state, you know that we'll be working on those things as well. Here in June, we are working on Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, and Tennessee. So if you go to our website, 50 State Directory, or you'll see the 50 State Directory, you'll see when we are rolling out this program and many others in your state. So if that's something that interests you, you know, I have made all of my study videos private just because that's just what we're doing these days. And so, yeah, take a class, take a workshop, belong to member spaces, and or just shout out, let me know what's going on, and I can tailor a plan just for you. So what we're talking about today is a Chick-fil-A, and it's a tenant improvement. And the one thing that, you know, I emphasize with my clients and students is that when there are tenant improvements, you get a set of plans. You may or may not get a walkthrough until you win. And then there's a whole bunch of labor-intensive issues that you should revisit, okay? Because when we have tenant improvements, there's a lot of old stuff that's there that may not have been in the plans, especially when it comes to demolition. And you want to make sure you're not shorting yourself. So I would encourage you to sign up for a weekly workshop. That's 3 intensive days per week where we work over on our 3-step process, detailed takeoffs based on your trade. You have to know where to go, how to do it, what's important, things that should be in your mind that you don't necessarily see on the plans. And then our yearly long class for those that are serious about learning how to become estimators professionally. I work with you for a year. Workshops, that member spaces where you get videos, and Intern Academy, which is self-paced, but you have absolutely everything, and you take your time. And there are tests and quizzes and videos there as well. And then our statewide contractors program, and our program like this one, $199 a month. We do your estimates, we win. You break me off a little gratitude gift, and we keep it moving to the next project. So any of those things interest you, make sure you reach out to me at sfjohnsonconsulting.com. See you soon.